Good morning children, how are you? The class 4 children, please open your worksheet, page number 2. Okay, we have completed page number 1, the unseen passage here, the unseen passage as well as these questions. We have to complete the next page. This is the worksheet 1 of 2 page and second page of worksheet 1, and this is the first lesson. Okay, now an elephant can also use its trunk to pluck a flower. Okay, the elephant use its tusks for what? Digging and fighting. Okay, next, match the columns. African elephant has extra protruding muscles at the tip of the trunk, because for the African elephant it is different in the different from the Indian elephant, because it has a more extra protruding muscles at the end of the trunk. Okay, and it has its own uses. Next one, a human body have how many muscles? More than 600 muscles. It can be 600 to 650. Okay. The Indian elephant has smaller ears and tusks. Yes. So it means the African elephant has larger ears and tusks. Okay. Next one, the elephant's trunk, very useful and unique. Yes. Because if you see the trunk, who has trunk? Only the elephant has trunk. That is it makes it unique, right? Even how you children are unique in your own way, like this animals also have the uniqueness in them. Okay children, so we have to respect them, right? Yes. Tusks is used for what beta? Fighting and digging. We have already here we have written that fighting and digging. Okay. Now here the answer to these questions, please write children. What are the differences between the Indian and African elephants? I have written, check once. African elephant has extra muscles, whereas Indian elephant has one finger. Okay. Next, African elephant is larger and has bigger ears and tusks, whereas Indian elephant has smaller ears and tusks. What is the conclusion children? Like Indian and African elephants has larger ears and tusks, but the Indian elephant doesn't have. Okay, the African elephants has the extra muscles, but the Indian elephant has only one finger. Okay, next, how do elephants grab things? An African elephant has extra protruding muscles which help them to grab the things and are known as elephant's finger. Yes. So why it is called as elephant finger? Because it can grab the things. Okay. Next one. What do elephants eat? You can pause the video and you can write it. Okay children. What do elephants eat? Okay. Elephants eat grass, wild fruit, leaves and bamboo. So these are the things what the elephants eat. So elephants are what? Herbivores or carnivores? Yes, when they are eating the only plant products and plant eating animals and grass, then they are called as herbivores. Okay, next one is, list 2 ways in which an elephant can defend itself. Okay, elephants use their trunk to haul a heavy log and to threaten enemies. They use their tusks for fighting and digging. Okay, so what they are doing for different beta? They are using the tusks. They are using the tusk and they are using their trunk to hold a heavy log. See, suppose if any of the animal is standing before you and taking a heavy log in its trunk, then will you frightened or not? Yes, you will be frightened, right? So other animals also. Okay, so this is the way to defend themselves, because they can use their tusk as well as the trunk. Okay children, next, why can't an elephant survive if its trunk is damaged? See, the trunk and the tusk, these are the two things which makes the elephant very unique. Okay children, so if they are damaged, suppose your fingers are there, your hands are there, if you got any wound in your hand, how you feel? You feel very dull, you feel very painful, right? So if if their trunk and their tusks are damaged, how they feel? Yes, even they feel also wounded and pain. Yes, even though they are animals, right? So they also can feel pain. Yes. Why can't an elephant survive if its trunk is damaged? Let us see the answer. An elephant can't survive if its trunk is damaged because trunk is used to smell, bathe, eat, drink and even to certain enemies. Are you getting, children? See beta. This is a lot of uses of its trunk, right? So it can use for eating, to threaten the animals and to drink and for bathing also. Have you seen that elephants taking a lot of water in its trunk and just pouring on its own body, right? You have seen in many videos and movies, right? So that will be the thing. Okay, children? Yes, you can pause the video. You can just, I'm going through once so that you can you can pause and you can see. I'm just going through this, okay? Indian elephants. Write in a very neat handwriting, children, and you can keep the pause and you can write. It is I make you easier and simpler so that you can write. Okay, children? Yes. Yes. Leaves and bamboo. Next one. List 2 ways elephant can defend itself. Elephants use their trunk to hold a heavy log and threaten enemies. Okay, why can an elephant survive its trunk is damaged? Okay, children. So this much we have done. Okay, children. So I think this is a work is done by you, and just do this as a homework only and keep in the WhatsApp. Okay, so that I can check yours whether you are writing or not. Okay, children. Take care, children. Bye bye, children.